Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm playing along with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life Round 7 today. Today is day number 12, and this is the 12th sketch, and it is by Liz Chittister. I hope I said that right. Anyway, it calls for what looks like 3 photos, or this could be your journaling spot or whatever on the middle. And it's actually a Christmas theme because it has the Christmas trees here, but you can use any sort of embellishment there. It doesn't necessarily need to be Christmas. But for me, for sure, I'm not going to make it Christmas because I'm scrapbooking summer pages because we're in the middle of winter. So, well, I guess we're at the tail end of winter, really. We're on the 12th day of March, so hopefully the weather will let up soon and we'll have some warmer temperatures coming. Anywho, so I have pulled out quite a bit of stuff. I've pulled these 2 alphabets to create my title, and I have them on a sheet of wax paper here. Time to Play, Love Our Pool Time. And I pulled in a little paper clip as well as a chipboard piece. I pulled in a pocket page card to go with. I pulled in this set of phrase stickers, this old set of K & Company embellishment stickers. I don't see a date on there, but these are really old. These could possibly be one of the oldest things in my stash. I say that, but you know, I randomly find really, really old stuff. I pulled this rub-on sheet again. I'm going to try and use some of that. And you can see I have pulled in all 3 of the papers that I used yesterday. The green, blue with green dots, the silver foiled, and then the blue with the white polka dots, as well as this sheet. This one is from Close to My Heart, and it is from the Sweet Girl collection. And it has this pink with the chevron type arrow on the back side with this really cute border strip. I'll cut that border strip off to use another time. But I pulled it for this side because the photos that I pulled, of course, are more pool photos, and it has this grid on the lower portion of the photo, the tile from around the pool, and I thought that kind of mimicked that. I'm going to cut these photos down and just use the 2 of them, and then I have the journal card that I pulled, and I'll figure out a way to use that somehow or another. Then, because this kit I had already placed some scraps in it, I did pull these. These are all left over from the first page. So all of those are from the first page, and these are from my scrap bin. So I'm going to, or scrap selection that I have pulled to go with. And I still have, I have a ton of scraps that I have pulled. And if I will put a link to the original kit that I have, and you can see I have in 3 different colors, in the peachy orangey shades, the greens, and the blues. So I have tons of scraps to play with this kit. Anywho, so I'll show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created in just a minute, and see you in a minute. Okay friends, I am done with another layout. This one was a little more difficult than what I thought it was going to be, but I actually like how it turned out really well. So the orientation had 2 photos and maybe a second or third photo, or maybe a journal spot, I don't know, and then an embellishment cluster here with the title there. I changed it up a little bit, which you guys know I'm pretty good at doing. As far as pattern paper goes, I used the full sheet of pattern paper that I had added in, and then the 2 partial sheets of paper. I used both of those, but still have some left. I did use another rub-on here. These are pretty good. They haven't completely died out. I also used a little clock figure that was here, and because I cut it out, I still have that little circle, so I taped it down. I did use a couple of stickers from this sticker sheet. I did use some enamel dots. I did use some of these asterisk shapes, and I did use some of the gray arrows. And finally, I used one of the embellishment pieces from this old K & Company embellishment pack. Anyway, here is the layout that I created, and if I put the sketch here, you can see it has the same feels. It's not exactly the same, but you know, the background paper is pretty much the same. I have the banner strips going along the back, then I have the 2 pieces of paper here, and then I have, instead of having 2 photos separated by a journal spot, I put my photos together and then put the journal spot over to the side. Here's where I used that clock rub-on here, and I used that flourish rub-on over here. And then I used a chipboard piece from the K & Company embellishment pack, as well as a chipboard piece that I pulled. There's one of those stickers, as well as here from that sticker sheet. The arrows are here, the enamel dots are here, and then the asterisks are here. So you can see I just put the date here, put a little paper clip here, and called it good. This one came together really quickly. There's not a lot of fuss to it. It didn't come out exactly like the sketch, but you know, sketches are starting points, and I say that a lot because they are. Anywho, guys, I appreciate you being here, and if you haven't been over to Christy's YouTube channel, please head over there so that you can see whatever she created today. And it's Christy's Beautiful Life on YouTube, and then her Facebook group is Christy's Beautiful Life as well. So make sure, go over, if you haven't joined the Facebook group, request to join so that you can see what everybody else is posting. Anyway, guys, I will see you tomorrow with another layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.